Hi there. I was asked a few moments ago on the telephone, what are your dealers doing about the closure of workshops? And that was quite an interesting question. So I simply answered, I'm not quite certain. But if you listen to the news, if you've got a car and want an MOT, then you can go along and get it MOT'd. So the question begs to be asked, what about a motorhome, camper van, or a van conversion? All very difficult in these times, and so sorry for all the people who are suffering such terrible consequences and ultimately the loss of loved ones. We all want to see this over, but it's going to take time. So, what are dealers really trying to do about it? Well, from what I can gather, the clever ones are trying to support their customers, old and still new, because at the end of the day, life will have to go on, and in the middle of all this, we have people who have bought a motorhome, awaiting its delivery, paid the big deposit, and still don't quite know when they're going to get their vehicle. This is nobody's fault. This is purely the circumstances that are surrounding everything. And we said to the dealers, why don't you go virtual and try and put more information online? And that's what they're building now. They're putting more information online. They're looking at videos of the vehicles, nothing new there, but they're looking at open to help people hand over a vehicle, demonstrate to them, put calls in to people who know what they're talking about and can help them. This is going to make a difference and is a bit of a game changer in some ways. One of our main dealers has started this as very late as 2 or 3 days ago, realising the implications of what were coming. We do wish them all well. Most importantly, we wish the customers well. And anything we can do to help you, we'll shortly be having a FaceTime number. So if you do get stuck or you are in a dilemma, I'm sure that some of the dealers we know will be delighted to try and help you, because they're all in the same boat and it's not very nice. But let's not despair. Let's look a little bit positive and see if we can come up with some answers to the immediate questions that will help people. Good luck, everybody, and as we're all saying it, stay safe.